In this video, I'm going to be talking about the minimum requirements for Fall Guys on PC. So to get the minimum requirements for Fall Guys, the easiest way would be to go to Steam and then tap on Store and then search. Then you would search for Fall Guys, and it's Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout. Tap on that and then tap on Fall Guys. And then you can scroll all the way down towards the end beneath the description of the Fall Guys, and it will show the system requirements. So what you need is a 64-bit processor. So if you're running a 32-bit processor, it will not work. You need Windows 10 as a minimum requirement. So if you're running Windows 7, it's not going to work. And for the processor, you do need quite a good processor, an Intel Core i5 or AMD equivalent. So some old processors might not work. So if you have an i5 or above, you'll be good to go. 8 gigabytes of RAM, so anything less than that, the game isn't going to run optimally. And for the graphics card, you don't need the most top of the range graphics card, just an NVIDIA GTX 660 or AMD Radeon HD 7950. So you do need some sort of graphics card. An onboard graphics card also won't make it run optimally. So if you have those cards or anything that's the equivalent, you'll be good to go. You need broadband internet and 2 gigabytes of space. So most people will have 2 gigabytes of available space. So the most important requirement here would be to make sure that you're running a 64-bit processor, because a 32-bit processor will just not work. So those are the minimum requirements for Fall Guys, so you can determine whether the game will run perfectly on your PC or not. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.